fantastic for the price. What is going on? Oh. It's been a while. How have you guys been? Well, let's take a moment. The other day I went to the city and I had full intentions of vlogging the day, and I had everything planned out of how I wanted to go about it. I would find something, make it very interesting, get all this like cool B-roll of Manhattan. I ran into an issue. The day started out great and we got to Manhattan. We went immediately to B&H because I love cameras. I love checking out stuff. So I want to check out like the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K, the Canon EOS R, the Canon C300. I just wanted to see these cameras in person because it's not something that I get to do every day. I work in a computer store. I get to see all these type of different computers and stuff, but I never get to see like real camera equipment. And then once we left B&H, we went outside and I started filming B-roll on the street. And I just set my camera up on the GorillaPod on a fire hydrant with a 100mm lens, which is this lens. It's a big, kind of beefy lens. It has some weight to it, and it has a lot of weight once you put the camera on that is weighted in the front. I had this thing balanced perfectly on the fire hydrant. After I finished filming the time-lapse thing that I was doing, I hit stop, and my camera fell off of the fire hydrant with my microphone on top of it, and shattered the stand for the mic that attached it to the camera. So I had no mic for the rest of the day, and there went the whole entire vlog in itself, which was extremely disappointing on my behalf. But I want to talk to you guys about the microphone that I was using. This is the microphone that I was using. It is a MOVO VXR10, and you can see the little nick that I got when it fell off the fire hydrant in the city. Now the reason I got this mic is it's a $40 mic, and it's very, very comparable to this, the Rode Video Micro Go, however it's pronounced. They are pretty much the exact same looking microphone. The only difference is this one's about like 10. Oh my god, that almost fell. I'm like on a cliffside, like down here is just disgusting sandy mud water, so good thing I caught that. This Rode mic goes for about $50, and then the MOVO mic is $40. And I like the MOVO mic better because it has a bigger diaphragm and gets way louder than the Video Rode Micro. And this is usually the mic that I use whenever I try making a video because it has good audio, it's cheap, and there's not much to it. There's no phantom power, there's no battery, it's just plug, play, you're set and done. So both mics come with dead cats for them that really breaks down the wind, which is great. At that price point, you got a mic that's capable in the wind, you got a mic that doesn't need power, it's just plug, play, you're set and done. That's the beautiful thing about these. The only thing is, the Rode Video Micro has a way, way superior shock mount. Like, this thing wobbles and wiggles and has all these good features to it. I don't have the shock mount to this anymore because it's broken, but I should have some B-roll of it that's playing now, which is just a solid piece of plastic. Now, this is probably going to be the third mic from MOVO that I'm buying. The first one I bought, I got out of the packaging, I went to put the shock mount on, and it shattered. I guess with the MOVO mic, I could use the Rode Video mic shock mount, but it's kind of on the end, and I don't really trust it that much because then you get all this big ass wiggle going on here. But the first time I put the shock mount on the MOVO, it just completely snapped on its own, just putting it on. I had to then refund it, buy a new one on Amazon, and to put the new mount on the new microphone that I had, I submerged it in hot water to make the plastic more malleable so it would flex a little easier without snapping. Merge this thing. Alright, let's see if that did anything. Ah, there we go. That worked. So, if you ever need to get the movie mic on without breaking the shock mount, submerge it in water. Hot water for like 20 seconds. That eventually worked, but it turns out that if you drop the microphone, it will shatter on its own very easily. So right now, I'm just kind of looking to see if there's another shock mount that I could buy for this because this mount sucks. I'm still looking. I can't really find anything. I love the microphone. I think it's fantastic for the price. What is going on? Oh, that seriously just fell? Which one was that? The MOVO mic just fell off the edge. This is great. This is... Oh, God, how tall is this thing? That was right. It's about 6 feet. I really need to go to the gym, but I love this mic. It's great. The mount sucks. It's fucking horrible. Movo, if you're watching this, redesign the mount. I have a drone. I never use it, and Shannon was saying that I should, so I decided I'll come here, film a little B-roll with the drone, 100mm lens, and see what interesting creations I can make. So let's just find out. I think it's time to leave. I thought that was an okay, decent B-roll, hopefully. I haven't seen the edit yet, so I don't really know, but it's time to leave. My nose is like acting up from allergies and shit. Also, I hope you guys enjoyed the sound of wind and running water and the motorboat going off on the side. PG motorboat, an actual boat with a motor. All right, let's go. I can't do it anymore.